Hello students, I am Dr. VP Deshpande, Head Department of Physics, Shivaji College, Kannad. Now today's article is the Croning and Penny model. The essential features of behavior of electrons in periodic potential may be illustrated with reference to a relatively simple one-dimensional model first discussed by Croning and Penny. This is square wave. It is assumed that the potential energy of an electron has in the form of periodic arrays of square waves, as indicated in figure 10.1. This one. The period of potential is A plus B. Total period is A plus B. This is minus B. This is 0. This is A. Therefore, total period for one complete cycle is A plus B. In the region such that x is in the region of 0 to a, this is from 0 to a, when value of x is in this region, the potential is energy is assumed equal to be 0. In region such as minus b is less than x is less than 0, now in this region the potential energy is V0. This is maximum potential energy V0 in this region, and in this region it is potential energy is 0. Each of potential energy wells may be considered a rough approximation for potential in vicinity of the atoms. Now you know Schrodinger's wave equation, d2 psi by dx square plus twice m upon h cross square E psi is equal to 0. This is for 0 is less than x is less than a, and second equation of Schrodinger's is d2 psi by dx square plus twice m upon h cross square E minus V0 psi is equal to 0 for minus b is less than x is less than 0. We shall assume that the energy E of the electron under consideration is smaller than V0, defining two real quantities alpha and beta by alpha square is equal to twice me upon h cross square and beta square is equal to twice m V0 minus e upon h cross square, and making use of fact that the solution must be a block function of the form e to the power ikr ikx uk of x, one obtain upon substitution of the following for u of x, then d2u by dx square plus twice ik du by dx plus alpha square minus k square u is equal to 0. This is condition for x is in the region between 0 and a, and d2u by dx square plus twice ik du by dx minus beta square k square plus k square u is equal to 0. This is for the region minus b is less than x is less than 0. The solution of this equation is r u1 is equal to a e to the power I alpha minus k into x plus b into e to the power minus I alpha plus k into x, and u2 of u2 is equal to c e to the power minus in bracket beta minus ik into x plus d into e to the power minus beta plus ik into x. This is region for x is in the region between minus b and 0, where a, b, c, d are constant, and these constants must be chosen in such a manner that the following four conditions are satisfied. These four conditions are u1 of 0 is equal to u2 of 0. This is your first condition. Now second is u1 of a is equal to u2 of minus b. Third is du1 by dx at x is equal to 0, which is equal to du2 by dx at x is equal to 0. And fourth condition is du1 by dx at a is equal to du2 by dx at minus b. When we apply these four conditions and solving the determinant of 4 by 4 matrix, then the conditions on left are imposed because of requirements of the continuity of the wave function of their derivatives. The two on the right are required because of the periodicity uk of x. It is equivalent to the application. Leads to four linear homogeneous equations having constant a, b, c, d. Thus, the wave function may be calculated. However, for our purpose, we are more interested in determining the values of energies for which satisfactory solutions are obtained. The four equations just mentioned have a solution only if the determinant of the coefficient a, b, c, d vanishes. It can be shown that leads to the following condition. Now condition is beta square minus alpha square upon twice alpha beta sin beta b sin hyperbolic function of beta b sin of alpha a plus cos hyperbolic of beta b cos of alpha a, which is equal to right hand side is cos of k a plus b. Now to obtain more convenient equation, Cronin and Penny consider the case which is the potential barrier becomes delta function, that is V0 tends to infinity and B approaches to 0, but the product V0B remains finite. Now under this condition, m into V0 into B upon h cross square alpha sin of alpha a plus cos of alpha a is equal to cos of k. Let us now define the quantity P is equal to mv0 ba upon h cross square, which is evidently a measure to the area v0b of the potential barrier. In other words, increasing P has the physical meaning of binding a given electrons more strongly to a particular potential well. From the last two equations, we find that solutions for the wave function exist only if P upon alpha a sin of alpha a plus cos of alpha a is equal to cos of k. Now right hand side of this equation becomes plus 1, which is restricted from plus 1 to minus 1, and these are the waves. Only allowed region for this is only like this. Similarly, like this, these are the allowed region because its value is plus 1, here is minus 1. These are only allowed region, and upper one will be cut off because right hand side becomes limit from minus 1 to plus 1. Now this has two wave functions, one is psi minus and psi plus. Psi minus is this wave function and psi plus is upper one, and there is a gap in between psi plus and psi minus. Therefore, there is a band gap in between these two wave functions, which shows the band gap model or energy bands in a solid, which is given by Cronin and Penny. Now in this case, you consider the region of first Brillouin zone, second Brillouin zone and third Brillouin zone. This is from, it is energy value is continuous from 0 to pi by a. At pi by a it is discontinuous, then again there is a gap, then again it is continue to minus 2 plus 2 pi by a, then it is again discontinue, then again it is continue from 2 pi by a to 3 pi by a. This is value of k, energy wave vector. So it is continuous up to this, and it is not continue, it is discontinue at this point, where this point is called as first Brillouin zone and second Brillouin zone, third Brillouin zone and so on. So this wave vector k has the value n pi by a. N means it is an integer, that is value is plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, that is k is equal to 2 pi n upon capital L, with n is equal to plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3 and so on. So this indicates the Croning and Penny model.